एडिसन स्थित रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस में इस वीकेंड एक आयोजन हुआ उस कार्यक्रम का जिसका संबंध 4 जुलाई से भी था, और साथ ही इस बात की भी पुरजोर वकालत की गई कि व्हाइट हाउस में फिर एक बार ट्रंप सरकार आनी चाहिए। साउथ एशियन रिपब्लिकन कोएलिशन के इस संगठन को शक्ति देने के पीछे भारतीय समुदाय के कई अग्रणी लोगों में हेमंत भट्ट का भी नाम है। पेश है इस कार्यक्रम की कुछ झलकियां।
Thank you, Dr. Sudhir Parekh, who is advisor to SARC and who is the chairman of Parekh Worldwide Media and ITV Gold. I also thank you, Ilyas Qureshi ji, for covering our events. Radha Pati is always with us. I am Hemant Bhatt. I am the chairman and founder of South Asian Republican Coalition. And today we have celebrated America's Independence Day, 4th July. And I haven't seen any Indian American organization celebrating America's Independence Day. Normally they have picnics or barbecues and kind of thing. But I thought that we owe to this country, we really do something, we give back to this country what we believe in. And that is why we have organized this event only for invitees. Earlier we wanted to do the event with the in larger scale, but because of Chinese virus, we have decided to do the event in a very limited way. I thank you so much. A lot of people came today to celebrate America's Independence Day, and our other purpose is to spread the message in our Indian American community and South Asians.
Hi, today we have amazing, today July 4, we have amazing event in South Asian Republican Coalition. My name is Rima Yakobovich, and I am member of this coalition for more than a year. It's a great coalition. Today we have a very strong message that in our Independence Day, Asian American, all American, supporting Republican Party, supporting our President Trump, and we do everything to make him win 2020. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, my name is Dev Karlekar. Today we have a small gathering of SARC volunteers who came in here for the celebration of July 4th. SARC stands for South Asian Republican Coalition, which is a non-for-profit founded by the founder President Hemant Bhatt, and we all are volunteers in the organization. What SARC is doing, SARC is making a difference in basically bringing the Indian Americans across the nation under one roof and give a block of vote towards the re-election of Mr. Trump. What SARC is doing, they have formed this various WhatsApp group. SARC is also working with few agencies towards creating employment. They are giving trainings. SARC is also hosting workshops with the GOP and the state GOP leadership, Republican Party, towards educating the Indian Americans, making a difference to this election.
The objective of this meet and the group is support Trump, support Republican, get Trump back to the White House. I like that. Republican President Trump has proved his 4 years supporting both India and America, both in foreign policies, immigrations, and building the economy stronger in USA. As a Indian American, as a citizen of USA, I wish Trump should come back and support India in the same way how he is supporting today our great leader Modi ji in India. Both these leaders have similarities. Both are strong and brave. They will definitely face the bad attack from China and handle it perfectly, and also build both the nations very strong and economically strong, and humanity also. And I also note that Trump is supporting our Hindu Americans especially. I strongly believe that.
The Democratic Party and Joe Biden have so much hatred for India. They are pro-Pakistan, and they never sit there and defend our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in India. And all their legislation and all the hate, lies, and attack that they have done against India, against Modi ji, and especially the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, was a wonderful amendment bill that Modi ji did, and the Democrats here have been attacking Modi for that bill. So I want to encourage all the American Indians, you must vote for Donald J. Trump, and you must vote for all elections. If you love India, if you love Modi ji, if you love your heritage, then you must vote for Donald J. Trump without a thought to think about. And forget about Joe Biden. Thank you.
This 4th July is not the USA, but it is our own country, like that we must celebrate. Today we have gathered here to celebrate this 4th July under the banner of SAARC. This is really a wonderful organization which we have recently float, South Asian Republican Coalition. And this coalition, this is really is now spreading their wings. Not only from New Jersey, it has been started right from inception to New Jersey base. It has extended and enlarged to Pennsylvania, to Texas, Illinois, Georgia, and now it is under negotiation and under consideration that more and more states are to be covered. And it is, the time is not too far that when SAARC will at least have a very strong platform where that will help Donald Trump to win the election before the election commences or the date comes. Naturally, that we are ready to launch so many other offices and connection in the different states out of 50. Though it is a beginning, but we are determined, we have planned, we are strategical, and at the same time we are under negotiation. And under the leaders of Hemant Bhatt. Hemant Bhai is one of my very close buddy, friend, and I have seen certain hidden ability in him that he is really having a great drive as a leader. At the same time, he has a vision, and very slowly and steadily, without any of his personal interest, how he moves forward, and that's the reason that all the members are joining very willfully and hopefully and with dedication to his team. This really, on this day, I will not take much of your time, but really it is a wonderful occasion that I have a chance to speak few words. Once again, I wish everybody, those who are hearing, either here or there, 4th July, our Independent Day of America. Thank you very much. Bye.